What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Brandon. It's Extreme Daily Drivers. Thanks so much for stopping by the garage today. Today we are going to be installing the last piece to my RIGd Supply tire swing out. If you guys have been following this channel for a while, you know I installed this maybe 8 months ago, something like that. And since then I added the side hack, mounted my traction boards. We got a water jug over here, Rotopack, and I should add also too, we got the license plate frame, and I installed my backup camera here. Turned out pretty sick. So we have pretty much everything that they basically offer, except maybe the coolest part, and that is a drop-down table here. So that's what we're going to be installing today. I got the pieces in recently, got a little bit of a sale, and the pieces are really minimal. We have a bracket here, and then we have the table itself, which is all the way back there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the traction boards off of here, because I don't know how much we're going to have to remove the side hack. So I've got the traction boards off. This bracket is going to fit inside of here. Now it matches up. It has these kind of nuts welded on the back of the bracket. So this left side will have typical nuts and bolts that are provided. And then on this side, I'm going to have to undo what I have here, and then they'll screw into this bracket. So I'm going to grab some wrenches, loosen those guys up, and get this guy installed in place. All right, so we got the bracket on here. You guys saw me tapping this with a rubber mallet. That's because the holes on the side, as you can see here, they're actually slotted, right? So you don't want to be kind of cockeyed. So by smacking it down here, it brings the whole thing down in the slotted hole. Okay, so it's level is my point. So I got everything snugged up here nice and tight. If you were running this with the side hack, you're not going to want to use their supplied bolts on this side. You're going to want to use the bolts that came with the side hack, which are a little bit longer than these. So you're going to go through here and then into the welded on nut, and then on this side you're going to use the typical supplied bolts. All right, so the only thing we have left is to mount the actual table. Let me go grab that, pull these little screws off, and mount it up. Top one there. Here? Yep, no, to the right of it. Yep. So with the help of my lovely assistant, we got this thing installed, and it's super rad. Come over here and check this thing out. Now I still obviously have the cover on here, but this thing folds up, latches. This is a bottle opener, and this is a cutting board. Now right now this cutting board slides in this direction, which doesn't work for us because we have the side hack. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move this screw, and we'll be allowed to slide it this way. Oh, how cool is that? Super rad. So after fumbling with the traction boards, making a couple little adjustments, we got everything put back together, and man, couldn't be happier with this setup. It is absolutely sick. Check it out one last time. Boom. Look at this. Awesome stainless steel. One thing about RIGd that's really cool is that their products are constantly always being upgraded, and this is one of their newest upgrades, is this stainless steel cooking surface, and it's supposed to be way better than the other one, which I guess was like kind of painted or powder coated black. This one is kitchen grade, or whatever the saying is, so you can wipe it down. It's totally sanitized. And you can check out the cutting board. Huh? How rad is that? Absolutely kick butt camping setup here. Let me throw my little stove up here and show you the ultimate setup. Dude, check out this sick setup, man. This thing is ready to go camping. Speaking of camping, Kelly and I are actually going next month in December, so thank goodness the weather's actually cooling down here a little bit in Central Florida. We can actually go and sleep at night and not be disgustingly hot and humid. So we're super looking forward to that. We're gonna be able to test all this stuff out and can't wait to give it a shot. One thing I want to say about the RIGd Supply whole setup that I have here, it's expensive, but what's rad about it is anything that has a 2-inch hitch, this can get transferred onto. So if something happens to the Commander, I can go ahead, next vehicle, as long as it has a 2-inch hitch, all this stuff will carry over and get installed on the back of it. So it really makes this a really good investment because, like I said, it just carries on from vehicle to vehicle to vehicle. The way that it's made, it's so well made, I can see it lasting many, many years. So super happy with this setup. If you guys are interested in how I did the traction boards, check out the link down in the description. It goes over everything we went through to make this happen. This is a unique setup that I've never seen done before, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If you have questions about anything that we installed today or any links at all for any of the RIGd products, go ahead and check out the description. Not affiliated, I paid for this stuff with all my own money, but I will tell you that right now they are having a Black Friday sale, and a lot of this stuff is on sale, so make sure you go check out the links. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Later.